Is it possible to calculate the area of this shaded region just by knowing the length of this line segment? Yes, it is. If you stay patient and don't give up on this problem too quickly, you'll see that solving it is much easier than you might imagine. In the figure below, you see 2 yellow rectangles and 1 blue square. If the length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 4√3 centimeters, what is the total area of the shaded regions? Let's start with the simplest things we know. If we consider the length of this rectangle to be x and its width to be y, and since it says we have 2 identical rectangles, then the width of this rectangle is also y and its length is x. Pay attention here, this length is equal to that one, so this entire section is x. If this part is y, then this remaining section is x minus y. Now let's calculate the area of the shaded region. Here we have one rectangle whose area is length times width, which is x times y. And here we have another rectangle whose area is also x times y. So, in total, we have 2 times x times y for the yellow areas. And here, the blue square's area is the side length squared, which is the quantity x minus y, all squared. The result of this identity is x squared minus 2 times x times y plus y squared. The expression transforms into 2 times x times y plus x squared minus 2 times x times y plus y squared. Then, 2 times x times y cancel each other out, and the expression becomes x squared plus y squared. Pay attention here, we have a right-angled triangle. According to the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals 4 times the square root of 3, all squared. Squaring this expression gives 16 times 3, which equals 48. And yes, option B is the correct answer.